BaseCamp electric skateboard. Huge thanks for sending it over to me. This is electric skateboard. Wow, look at all these instructions. Really nice box. It can go max speed 10 miles an hour and weight capacity 220 pounds. Very nice. Well packaged. There's a brochure, instructions. Okay, really nice whiteboard, and this is very non-slick surface, so that's perfect. Really big wheels, rubbery. Wow, that is a really nice wheels. So it's a skateboard, longboard, kind of in between. There's the battery in the back. There's on and off on this side. Whoa, I like this side here. This one don't spin as easy. So that's, I guess, the motor right here. On the other side, it spins easy. So that's a motor wheel right here. Beautiful. Wow, so we need to probably charge it up. Cool, I guess this is a backpack. Yes. Wow, that is cool. Slides in here, velcros. Wow, that's cool. And there's the charger. I'll plug it in and leave it plugged in for a couple hours till it's fully charged. There you go. Comes with the tool and Allen wrenches. So beautiful. There's another charger wire. And there's the remote. Oh, that's a charger wire for this remote. Plug it all in and charge it. The plug right here has a cover. Nice. Okay. That's it. Okay, let's test it. On, and it is automatic shut off when it's not used. On. So right now green is forward. So let's see. Acceleration, and then that's stop. That's good. Now reverse, press and hold. It should turn red, and now it's reverse and stop. That's good. Now to set it up a forward mode, press and hold, and it's green. Now it's gonna go forward and it's stop. Beautiful. Probably won't be going super fast because I haven't been on a skateboard for over 10 years, but let's see. Woo. Okay, stop. Oh, really nice drive. Very good learning curve, I like it. A snowboard, that's definitely a little bit different. That's pretty awesome. I might let somebody who is really good at skateboarding to really put it to the test at max speeds. But that's a lot of fun, even for beginners like me. I used to skateboard, but it's been a very long time ago. Portable chessboard. Check this out. Nice. Okay, it comes with the holster. Okay. It's all magnetic too. Looks like it's all ready to go. White and black. Comes with the extra stickers. The reason why it comes with the stickers, because there's 4 extra pieces, 2 for each. Nice. Okay, what's so cool about it? It is still pretty easy to use. It's nice, very liftable. I don't know. What do you guys think? Very easy to set it back together. With my big hands too, it works really well. Then it locks up onto a magnet. Oh wow, that's cool. Looks like a chest right here. Opens up, ready to go. That is cool. Let's say we are in progress and we need to like go somewhere. Can we like pack it up and will it stay for the most part all together? Let's find out. Okay, let's say we're walking, come back around, open it, and the game's still in progress. Looks like for the most part. That is awesome. I might even keep it like that, put extra pieces in there, and put it in a holster, ready to go. Thermacell Mosquito Repellent 15 feet zone. And mosquitoes do get bad in North Carolina and Appalachian Mountains to where they will eat me up. This, when it's on around me, it is completely mosquito free. So it comes with a clip. Let's assemble it. There you go, locked in. Boom. Can go on a belt. Okay, then this comes out and the fill goes in here. To get rid of the mosquitoes, it goes on. Nice. I love the design of it, it looks so beautiful. Locks back in. Then this is replaceable. Opens, slides in here. Boom. And then on and start. Do you hear it? It sounds like it's releasing a little bit of a fog of some sort. Off. Okay. Press it on. And it's still on now. Don't have to press start. No, I do have to press start. Did you hear it? It's like poof. One way to see if it's on and off is right here. It'll be red. That's one way to see. So that means it's on. Okay, turn it off. Now it's off. Okay, turn it on. I'm gonna press start. And the light is on. So mosquitoes are gonna stay away 15 feet. I love it. Very stylish. Nice clip. So it goes onto a belt. Beautiful on a backpack. I like it. I usually just set it down near me wherever I'm working, camping, and I don't feel any mosquitoes. Chipmaster butane stove, 15,000 BUT, so it emits a lot of heat. Supposed to be very powerful. Comes with this nice case for going picnicking, camping, cooking out, maybe on a parkway. With the dust over here. Okay, looking really good. Very nice. Okay, this opens right here. There's the regulation. Turn off. This will be pretty easy. It slides in this way. So, slides in here. And lock it in forward. Lock it, heat protector. Okay. Wow, that is incredibly powerful. Let me turn off some of the lights. Look at that flame. Even in the daytime, boil lots of water, no problem. This is not even a maximum. That's amazing. That is very powerful. Wow. And it's highly regulatable. If I need to put it on simmer, there's no problem. I can just do so. Amazing. Gerber all-in-one of spatula, fork, spoon, tongs, multi-tool. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, it stays all together. Then it slides out this way. Oh, cool. The spatula will hold everything. There's a little rubber section and plastic section. Nice. Mini spatula. Then there's a fork, spork, but more of a fork. It's really big. And there's a spoon, very lightweight, incredibly lightweight. And there's a can opener and a bottle opener. This way. It becomes stones. Nice. I love that. It works so well and easy to use. Line it up and slide it in. Beautiful. And now it sits together. Got right here, portable fan. Beautiful. So, wow. Adjustable heavily as well. Oh, there's a light too. There's a light on the top with a bunch of moods. And then there's a on. Ooh, it's quite powerful. This is on maximum. Oh, it feels good. I like it. So, and also it could be like a tent fan. Hang it in a tent and have some circulated air. It's quite nice. And on over here, there's it. And over here, there's an indicator how much power I have left. I like the flashlight too, so beside the fan, it could be light too, like a lamp. Very nice and portable. That's where the charger is.